Building your dreams, preserving your legacy. Welcome to Precise Buildings, where dreams take shape and memories are made. Behold a two-tier flagstone patio elegantly separated by stone walls, seamlessly connecting the upper and lower levels. Adorned with two cozy gas fire pits, an outdoor cooking space, and distinguished by brownstone caps on the piers, this space is a testament to luxury and functionality. Adding a personal touch, a cherished family symbol graces the upper-level patio, infusing the space with sentiment and character. With its expansive layout, this sprawling sanctuary offers panoramic views of the backyard and picturesque surroundings, creating an inviting retreat for relaxation and enjoyment. Experience the difference with Precise Buildings, where emotion meets craftsmanship and dreams become reality. Contact us today and discover how we can bring your dreams to life. Precise Buildings, 717-768-3200, precisebuildings.com.